A temporary live-in housekeeper is needed for a family of 7 with 3 children aged 13, 11, and 6 for their vacation home in Neydens, France this summer 2021. The candidate will be responsible for all the housekeeping duties in the 2-story property. The housekeeper will be in charge of the laundry, ironing, and assisting with the preparation of meals. The ideal candidate must be energetic, hands-on, responsible, trustworthy, and fluent in English. The working hours are 6 days a week, 8 hours a day with 2 hours break in the afternoon, but flexibility is required. The salary is between 2,500 to 3,000 euros net per month. Accommodation is provided, which is a fully furnished bedroom within the property and a shared bathroom. This is a temporary position to start in end of June until mid-September 2021. For more details and if you wish to apply, please click the link below. Have a great day!
Enjoy this video? Like it, and to be aware of our new job offers, subscribe and click the bell icon.